Good morning students. In previous class we have learned dividing two digit numbers. We have estimated quotient. Yes. Now let us learn about dividing two digit numbers by two digit numbers. Okay. Look here children. For example 95 divided by 13 is there. 95 divided by 13. We can do this in two methods. Okay, two ways. We can do this in two ways. Okay, already I have said first method we have estimated quotient. Now I will explain two methods. First we will do first method. In this we will estimate quotient of these numbers. Okay, to do that we have to write nearest numbers. Okay, 95. What is the digit in tens place? 9. After ones place? 5. 5 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. So we have to add 1 to this 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. And we'll write 0 in ones place. We got 100. 95 is nearest to 100. 95 is nearest to 100. And here 13. We have to check tens place and then ones place. What is the digit in ones place? 3. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So no need of adding 1 to this number. We will write directly 1 and 0. These are the nearest numbers of these numbers. In this 95 is a dividend and 13 is a divisor. 95 is a dividend, 13 is a divisor. Now we got new numbers 100 divided by 10. Here in the both numbers we are having zeros. So we'll remove 0 from dividend and divisor. Remove zeros. Then we'll get here only 1 0 is there. So we have to remove this 1 0. We'll get 10 divided by 1. As you know already 10 divided by 1 is 1 tens are 10. So we'll get 10. This 10 is the estimated quotient. Estimated quotient. Up to here we did in last class. Yes. Now we have to find actual quotient. For that we will do step 2. What is that means? We have to multiply this divisor with estimated quotient. Divisor with estimated quotient. Multiply these 2. 13 into 10. 13 tens are 130. 13 tens are 130. But this 130 is greater than 95. 130 is we got given dividend as 95. So 130 is greater than 95. But 130 is greater than 95. So we'll take here 13 tens we took, no? So we'll take 13 nines. 13 nines yes 117. 13 nines 117. This 117 is also greater than 95. 117 also greater than 91. 95. So we'll take 13 eights. 13 eights 104. Again 104 is also greater than 95. 104 is also greater than 95. So we'll take 13 sevens. 13 sevens 91. Okay, 91 is less than 95. Yes, 91 is less than 95. So yes, actual quotient is is 7. Actual quotient is 7. Now we'll do direct division. Okay. 95 divided by 13. 13 sevens are 91. 95 minus 1 is 4. This is the remainder and this is the quotient. Now we'll do check. How we will check this problem? Yes, we have to multiply this divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. We should get this dividend D. Okay, divide 13 into 7 plus 4. 13 sevens are, yes, 13 sevens are 91. 91 plus 4 is 95. We got dividend. So this answer is correct. This all process you have to do. For without doing this, I will explain directly. Okay, this is the second method. Okay, 95 divided by 13 given. 95 divided by 13. Right here 13 table. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104. Here 95 given. It will be here. So I have stopped up to here. Now we can do directly. 95 divided by 13. Okay. Look here, in 13 table we will get 95? No, we will get 91. When we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 sevens are 91. 13 sevens are 91. Now do subtraction. 5 minus 1 is 4. So quotient is equal to 7. Remainder is equal to 4. Simply we got answer. Here you can do this process or you can do this process. Which one will be easy in this? Yes, this is easy. So do this. Okay. For exercise 7, here 8 problems are there. In that all 2-digit numbers are there. 15, 17, 19, 18, 16, 12, 13, 11. These all are below 20. Yes. If you get 20 tables perfectly, then you can do these problems very easily. In this method, you can do these problems very easily. So, learn 20 tables and do these problems. Okay. Now, I will explain A. Look here, 75 divided by 15 is there. 75 divided by 15. For this, we will write 15 table here. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105. Here 75 we got, so no need of writing total. We will take here 75 divided by 15. Okay, look, 15 fives are 75, 15 fives are 75, 75 minus 75 is 0, quotient is 5, remainder equal to 0. This is direct way. Do these all problems like this only. Okay, in direct way. Here I will explain one more E question. Okay, 99 divided by 16. 99 divided by 16. For this we have to write 16 table. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96, 16 sevens are 112. Here 99 is there, so I stopped up to here. Now we'll do directly. 99 divided by 16. Okay, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16 6 are 96. So 16 6 are 96. Now we'll do subtraction. 99 minus 96 is 3. So we got quotient 6, remainder 3. Okay, Do like this all problems in your fair notes. This is your homework. Okay, complete, I said A and E, complete this all in your fair notes and send me answers. Okay, thank you.